Aloe vera is a wonderful plant. It's a miraculous gift from nature. For centuries, people have used aloe vera to heal and soothe. Aloe vera oil takes this natural wonder to a new level. It combines the power of aloe vera with healthy oils. This makes it a powerful tool for your skin, hair, and overall health. Let's explore the benefits of aloe vera oil together. You'll learn how to use it in your daily routine. Get ready to discover the magic of aloe vera oil. You might be familiar with aloe vera gel. It's the clear, gooey substance inside the aloe vera plant. Aloe vera oil is a little different. We make it by infusing aloe vera gel in oil. We call this a carrier oil. Popular carrier oils include coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil, and jojoba oil. These oils help preserve the goodness of aloe vera. They also add their own benefits to the mix. This oil, extracted from the aloe vera plant, has been used for centuries for its healing and beneficial properties. These properties help your body heal and stay healthy. It contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for skin health. Aloe vera is a natural humectant. Not only does it moisturize your skin, but it also helps keep it hydrated for longer. This means it attracts and holds onto moisture, which is crucial for keeping your skin soft and supple. This makes your skin soft and flexible. Plus, using it regularly can improve your skin's texture and tone. Aloe vera helps your skin cells repair themselves. It promotes cell regeneration, which speeds up the healing process. This is especially helpful for burns, cuts, and scars. Its ability to reduce inflammation and pain makes it an ideal remedy for minor injuries. Aloe vera can soothe redness and irritation. Its cooling effect provides immediate relief to irritated skin. This makes it great for soothing sunburns and other skin issues. It can also help reduce the appearance of blemishes and scars. These are just some of the amazing benefits of aloe vera oil. Its versatility makes it an essential product in any skincare routine. It's like having a first aid kit and a beauty product in one. It's no wonder aloe vera is a favorite in the world of skincare. Aloe vera has been used for centuries for its healing properties and skin benefits. Aloe vera oil isn't just for healing. It's a natural elixir that can transform your beauty routine. It can also enhance your natural beauty from head to toe. From skin to hair, its benefits are countless. For your skin, use it as a moisturizer, makeup remover, or massage oil. Its light texture and hydrating properties make it ideal for all skin types. It can also help with acne, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Eczema, providing relief to irritated skin, and wrinkles, helping to keep skin looking young and smooth. For your hair, massage it into your scalp to combat dandruff. Its soothing properties can reduce irritation and dryness and promote hair growth. The nutrients in aloe vera oil strengthen hair follicles. You can also use it as a leave-in conditioner for shiny, healthy hair. Its ability to retain moisture improves texture and shine. For your health, aloe vera oil can help soothe insect bites, reduce stretch marks, and improve the appearance of skin, and even soothe muscle pain. Its anti-inflammatory properties can be a natural relief for sore muscles. With so many uses, aloe vera oil is a must-have for your daily routine. From beauty to health, this versatile oil is a true natural treasure. Today we'll show you how you can make your own aloe vera oil at home, easily and enjoyably. You can buy aloe vera oil in stores, but it's easy and fun to make your own at home. Plus, by making it yourself, you can ensure that all the ingredients are natural and fresh. Here's a simple recipe you can follow. You don't need to be a kitchen expert to pull this off. Just follow these steps. For the ingredients, you'll need 1 cup of fresh aloe vera gel and 1 cup of carrier oil, such as coconut, olive, or jojoba. These oils not only help preserve the aloe vera, but also bring their own benefits to your skin. For the instructions, carefully cut open an aloe vera leaf and scoop out the gel. Make sure to use a clean spoon to avoid contamination. Blend the gel in a blender until smooth. This step is crucial to make sure the gel mixes well with the oil. In a saucepan, heat the carrier oil over low heat. Don't let it get too hot, just warm enough to blend well with the aloe vera gel. Add the blended aloe vera gel to the warm oil. Do this slowly and carefully to avoid any splattering. Stir constantly for 10 to 15 minutes, making sure the mixture doesn't boil. This step is important for the ingredients to blend well. Remove from heat and let it cool completely. The mixture should be at room temperature before proceeding to the next step. Strain the mixture through cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer into a clean jar. This will help remove any solid residue and leave your oil smooth and clear. Your homemade aloe vera oil is ready to use. You can use it on your skin, hair, or even as part of your personal care products. Store it in a cool, dark place for up to 6 months. Be sure to label the jar with the date of preparation so you know how long it's safe to use. Here are a few things to remember when using aloe vera oil. First, do a patch test. Before using aloe vera oil on a large area, try it on a small area of skin first. This will help you see if you have any allergies. Next, moderation is key. A little goes a long way. Start with a small amount of aloe vera oil and add more if needed. If you have oily skin, use it sparingly. Finally, enjoy the benefits. Incorporate aloe vera oil into your daily routine and experience its amazing benefits for yourself. Aloe vera oil is an amazing natural ally to take care of your skin, hair, and health. What are you waiting for to try it? If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Life and Natural Remedies, for more tips like this one. See you in the next video.